have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. This pair of equations is what constitutes a simultaneous equation, two equations with two unknowns. Elimination means to make one variable disappear, and this is by adding or subtracting both equations. Let's add and see if any variable is eliminated. X plus x gives us 2x, 2y plus y gives us 3y equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. Addition has failed. Neither x nor y has disappeared. So what do we do now? Let's try subtraction. Let's do subtraction and see if any variable will become eliminated. X minus x gives us 0. 2y minus y gives us y or just 1y. 4 minus 3 gives us 1. Yes, x has been eliminated, so subtraction worked. Y is equal to 1 is already the first part of the solution. What next? Using the value of y equals 1, substitute in one of the equations and find x. Let's use equation 2 and we obtain x plus, but y is now equal to 1. So x plus 1 equals 3 and x will be equal to 3 minus 1, giving us x equals 2. The solution thus is x equals 2 and y equals 1. Let's take another example. We observe that y can be directly eliminated by addition. If we add the two equations, y disappears. If we subtract, neither x nor y disappears. Let us add. We will have 3x plus 2x gives us 5x. 2y plus minus 2y gives us 0. And 11 plus 14 gives us 25. Now, dividing both sides by 5 gives 5x divided by 5 gives us x. And 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. So x equals 5. We now substitute x equals 5 in one of the equations. Using equation 1, we obtain 3 times the value of x, which is now 5, plus 2y is equal to 11. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2y equals 11. 2y equals 11 minus 15, and 2y equals minus 4. Y will be equal to minus 4 on 2, which is minus 2. Thus, x equals 5 and y equals minus 2. Let's take a third example. What if addition and subtraction both fail? Consider the equation. Addition has failed, subtraction has failed as well. What do we do then? We balance coefficients by multiplying, that is, swap or exchange coefficients. Step 1. Swap, multiply. Let's say we've chosen to eliminate x. We multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2. 3 is the coefficient of x in equation 2. We multiply equation 1 by that 3. We equally multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. The coefficient of x in equation 1 is 2, so we multiply equation 2 by that value. What result do we obtain? 3 times 2x gives us 6x, 3 times y gives us 3y, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. In equation 2, 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times minus 2y is minus 4y, and 2 times 1 is 2, giving us two equations, equation 3 and equation 4. We now move to step 2, which is eliminating. We can now eliminate x by subtraction. So 6x minus 6x gives us 0, and 3y minus 4y gives us 7y is equal to 9 minus 2, which is 7. We divide both sides by 7 and obtain 1. Thus, y is equal to 1. And we substitute y equals 1 into equation 1 or any other equation. And we'll have 2x plus 1 equals 3. 2x will be equal to 2 and x equals 1. Therefore, x is 1 and y is 1. The secret is to solve many equations as possible. Let's look at worded problems. At times, the equation is given in worded form. Let's take this example and form equations. The sum of two numbers is 5 and their difference is 1. find the two numbers. To solve the problem, we define the two numbers. Let the first number be x and the second be y. Using the first part of the equation, we obtain the sum is 5. Thus, x plus y equals 5x plus y equals 5, giving us equation 1. Using the second part of the equation, we obtain their difference is 1. That is, x minus y equals 1. So x minus 1 equals y, giving us equation 2. You can now proceed with elimination. Let's take another example. Between Cindy and Michael go to the mall to buy some stuff. So at the mall, Cindy buys 2 books and a pen for $7, while Mike buys a book and a pen for $4. Find the cost of a pen and that of a book. So we define our parameters. Let x be equal to a book and y be equal to a pen. The first part of the equation says 2 books and a pen equals $7. That gives us equation 1. 2x plus y equals 7. Now for Mike, which is the second part of the equation, gives a book and a pen equals $4. So we have x plus y equals 4. You can now proceed with elimination. I'm going to give some general remarks on decision on elimination. If the coefficients are same but signs are opposite, same coefficients, opposite signs, do addition. If the coefficients are the same and the signs are the same, do subtraction. Otherwise, do multiplication or balancing. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to watch many more videos for grade 6 to 12. Thanks.